If you've had fluid leaks in your car, either in the past or you currently have them, it's a frustrating issue, and it's hard to know what to do aside from an expensive bill by a mechanic or hours of your own time to fix the problem. Best way to take care of any sort of fluid leak in your car is to diagnose the problem and to either replace the part, whether it's a gasket, a seal, whether it's a faulty part in the system that's causing the leak. That's the best way to go about it. But sometimes it doesn't work out that way, whether it's because of our budget, whether it's because of a lack of time, or maybe it's the age of the car. Maybe you don't want to put a lot of money into the car. So what can you do? Well, a couple of years ago, I actually found out about this product right here, AT205 ReSeal. Heard about it on another YouTube channel, and they claimed that this worked. Now, I've tried it, and can I say that it works? Well, I would say it has the potential to work very well depending on the type of leak that you have in your system. The way this works is that this gets in, you add it to your engine for any sort of oil leak, to your power steering system, to your transmission. It's something that you add in, and there's a certain amount that you need to add in according to the instructions. But you want to add this in, and what it does is it actually will swell the rubber seals in the system so that they swell. So if you have a small crack in a seal, or if part of a seal is just worn away, this could potentially seal that leak. Now, is this foolproof? No. But if you have a slow leak in your car, then this could definitely be something that you can try, which through reviews, through my own experience, have seen this work to a number of different degrees. If it doesn't stop the leak, then it has the potential to definitely slow the leak until you can figure out what to do or save the money you need to get the full repair. Now, this is something that you can order on Amazon. It's not available in a whole lot of auto parts stores, at least in my area that I've found, but it is something that you can try at first before getting that expensive repair or putting a lot of time into trying to deal with the problem if you're going to work on it yourself. So this AT205 ReSeal, all you have to do is take a look at the bottle. It's just a small gray bottle here that you put in, and what you do is you want to put this entire bottle would be good for a system that holds about 6 quarts. So like a 6-cylinder engine, a lot of them are going to require about 6 quarts of oil. So this entire bottle would work well for that. If you have less than 6 quarts in your system, especially when you're dealing like with a power steering system that doesn't hold much fluid at all, then you definitely don't want to pour this entire bottle into it. You need to do the math and figure out what your system holds, and then put the amount according into your system to take care of the issue, or potentially take care of the issue. So you want to put it in, and it takes a while to work its way into your system and to work on those seals to swell them. And so, like for example, if you're going to put this into your engine to help reduce oil leaks, then you want to give it probably a couple hundred miles of normal driving to work its way through the engine, all the different parts. And so I would even, depending on how much you drive, 200 miles to 800 miles at the very most. If you don't see any changes, then this wasn't the best choice for your system. Sometimes you might see changes and improvements sooner than that. I've read up on some stories where people saw improvements gradually over time. And so This is something that is a low-cost option to try before getting that expensive repair or just hours upon hours of trying to fix it yourself. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews like this one. Hit that notification bell so that you can get updated when my content goes up, and I will see you in the next video.